Hello everyone, my name is Sammy FX. So on this page I'll be teaching you the basic concept of being profitable in the forex market. I'm a forex trader and a profitable one at that. So for new traders or those who are looking for strategies that can help them make a good amount of money, I am here to help you and assist you with the best strategy. So you will want to stick around to know what I do that makes me six-figure in a daily income and more in annual income. So stick around and subscribe to our channel if this is your first time watching our video, so you can see more and more of our videos, and it could help keep you updated with our videos. So hit the subscribe button, take a choose while we begin. So the strategy that I'm going to be teaching is known as support and resistance. So on the good USD, I'll be teaching us the basic concept of support and resistance. As you can see, we are on a 12-hour time frame, and as a successful and profitable trader, you have to start analyzing your trade from a higher time frame, known as a top-down analysis. You start to analyze your trade on a higher time frame, then you come down to lower time frames, know what you are supposed to spot, and then on extreme low time frame you have to look for confluences and then enter the trade. So you're on a 12-hour time frame, that's my favorite. So I'll be teaching you the main concept of support and resistance. So looking at this is obviously an trend. So how do we spot support and resistance? So as you can see, we have a low. We have a low here. Low. Then we have a high. We have a high here. I don't want to confuse you guys. We have a high here. Let me make use of this so I'll be showing you guys clearly. So this came here and became support, while here it was resistance. So that's another area we are going to be looking at. And also there was a consolidation at this point. There was consolidation at this point. Consolidation. Then there was a push. So here we also have a head and shoulder setting. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a head and shoulder setting in a way. Here is the first head. This is a shoulder. Here is a head, and here is also a shoulder. This is also a twist, like something like this here. So for now, it's a head and shoulder pattern. So showing that the market is reversing. And there was a little bit of consolidation here. So this also will be our support level. So we also have to put one more line So here is a major resistance at this point. Here is our major resistance, and coming here, sorry guys, and coming here, we can see that the market is pushing more higher. So we're not gonna place any more lines on this chart. We're gonna move to a smaller time frame. Let's say the 6 hours time frame. So on the 6 hour time frame, you can see how neat our support and resistance level look. Where this is a support level, here is a resistance level, and here, if you notice, there was a breakout here, and there was a retest to this zone. There was also a breakout, showing that this is a resistance level. So how to trade it? You just have to, on your 6 hour time frame, you just have to take this. Here is an extreme demand zone. As you can see, the market was tanking down, and here there was an extreme demand that have to struggle with sellers. That has to struggle with sellers, and also here is another major demand zone that push the market way higher. So there are two areas that we have to pay attention to, but I would prefer us paying keen attention to this level. Okay, let me do it like this level, as you can see. So we also have an extreme demand zone again at this level. So this is an extreme demand zone. Price moving from here, retesting, and then moving massively to the upside. So how do we trade this? We come down to our 1 hour time frame. How we trade this is, as you can see, the market is tanking. The market is going back to our point of interest. How to trade this is, when the market is in our point of interest at this point, how you want to trade it, go into your 15 minutes time frame or your 30 minutes time frame. Let's go in our 30 minutes time frame. In our 30 minutes time frame, once the market drops at this point, and the candles forming are signifying that it's no longer a bearish run, that it's gonna be a bullish run, and you're seeing a bullish engulfing candle, or you're seeing a candlestick pattern that shows that there will be a reversal in the market. That's when you will try to trade. And then your RSI, as you can see, this is my RSI. It also helped me. My RSI is already at 30, which is oversold. So when this is at this extreme demand zone and it shows an entry back to this 30, I will want to go long. I would like to buy on the candle. So that's how to trade your support and resistance and trade it to become profitable. So this has been a trade I took. of news earlier today, and I was very profitable. This has been a $50 account. It has been a $50 account, and I'm currently on a trade. I started the account with the $50. Let me show you proof. This is $50. This is a $50 account. If you can see, I started it with a $50. Now I am $153 in profit. Just knowing the best way to trade it is one of the key to be a successful trader. So that's all for now. You subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow. Thank you guys. I would like to hit at least 100 followers, 100 subscribers in the next month. Please guys.